Constructed from robust, rust-resistant aluminum, this pair of lights is engineered to endure harsh weather conditions, from intense sun to heavy snow. 3 high-efficiency solar panels power the light, offering reliable, automatic illumination from dusk until dawn without any need for electrical wiring. The charming Edison-style LED bulbs provide excellent versatility, allowing you to switch between a cozy 3000K warm white and a crisp 6000K cool white light. With 3 intelligent operating modes, you can customize the lighting to stay on continuously, brighten from a dim setting, or activate only when motion is detected. A convenient remote control makes it effortless to adjust settings from a distance, complementing the sensitive motion detector that covers a wide 120-degree angle. Its classic gooseneck farmhouse design adds a touch of vintage elegance to any outdoor space, and the completely wireless installation is remarkably simple.